show, we're going to do something really cool. That we're actually losing our famousness. That today we're going to do something very awesome. Today, let's do Squid Game 3 AM challenge.
Mom said do not record it here.
Okay, let's do some stuff today. Okay, now we do some stuff. Today on the Butch Show, I'm Parrot. Where's our WWE Squid Games? What? Is that Squid Game? Foxy, are you Squid Game? Yar. Oh no. Butch, I think Squid Game's here.
Chloe, it's one thing when you guys are annoying
What?
and talking loud, you're just making random
Oh no,
sounds.
the door
It's not
knocked. What? What the? Oh no, don't answer the door. What the? What the heck's that? Ah! I'm Butch. What the heck are you, Squid? Are you Squid Game? Yes, it's me. Come with me. What? We're in Squid Game, yeah. What the heck? Oh no, it says red.
You good?
Green light. Oh no. It says our red light. Green light.
Parrot is eliminated. Whoa.
Oh! Butch! I'm down! Parrot!
Is eliminated.
Beep beep boop boop. Today on the round of the Butch and Parrot Show! I'm Butch!
It's more like Parrot go missing. Does anyone know where they are?
In Squid Game. In the Squid Game universe.
Korea?
Parrot's coughing. He doesn't know. He got shot by the robot girl. Or the robot doll or something. And they're dead. That the guards drag them into the rooms of the hospital.
No, they don't go to the hospital.
No, on Squid.
No, they don't.
Then what do they do to people?
They cut them up and throw them away.
No.
That's what they say they're eliminated.
No, it's not like that because I heard it from the Squid Game channel. Because in the music video, it shows them that what the squids do is they bring them to the hospital and cut them up.
Hi, Barb.
And then
But they don't bring them back.
they cut them up and then they're just wake up in the next level.
No, they don't wake up. They cut them up. So,
Ah!
you know what?
Wait, I had an idea. Now Butch and Parrot were eliminated. Now they're turned to squid guards, and they work in.
They're dead. When you're eliminated, you die.
But I want Butch and Parrot to be alive again.
Then they probably should not have moved.
Probably should play Squid Games then if you don't want to die. That's why we told you it's not for children.
Today on the Butch and Parrot Show, we're back from being dead, but this round we're playing the circus game.
If you don't want them to die, then they have to win.
Let's just play Squid Game. Okay, it's time to the last boards. Okay, I would rather do the rope challenge. Okay. What? Ah! Parrot! Hey, Squid Game. No. Help. Help us. Help. Butch, we need to get out of here. Let's go back home. And then tomorrow we'll do the next round. Okay. We're not dead. We're just still alive. We're playing Squid Game, but it's a tent. I think I hear something. Oh my god. Oh no, it not be. Can it just not be whatever I'm hearing? Oh no. That better not be Squid Game. Ah! Butch, we need to get out of Squid Game. Steal the Squid Game van and drive back home fast as we can. Ah! Ruff! They're sent back to their house. And then they're gonna play. Where was the Squid Game van? Mom, can you move this around away from the laundry?
What is it called?
You make me a what, man? The way you dance, I Aaron, you gotta turn off the video recording.
No.